Good afternoon, everybody. It's Bonnie Hunter in the Quiltville studio, and I am taking a group of 30 folks to Ireland and Scotland with me in less than 2 weeks. One of the things that we do on my travel tours is a small stitchery that they can work on while we take bus tours. They can work on it on the plane. They can work on it at the hotel after our touring day is over. And this is my Cairdeas quilt. It's for Ireland with a Celtic knot in the center. This is all done just by backstitch or stem stitch embroidery with 12 weight cotton, which I absolutely love, the 12 weight cotton on Essex linen. And to get the design on here, I use the Sulky Stick and Stitch product. Love this. It's 12 sheets in a package, and you just run it through your printer. And then I trimmed it to size to just stick it to the linen. And I've got their little needle right here. The needles are, I have to think, Richard Hemming & Son chenille, size 24. Okay, yeah, my eyes aren't so great, so it helps to look through the camera. But we will be doing the embroidery work on these designs, and then they'll be able to come home and add their borders to their quilt center, hopefully with some fabrics they may have picked up on their way, or if they've got favorite fabrics that they've got at home that they want to incorporate from our time together. I'm really excited about this trip. It's an extended trip for me. I'm going from Ireland with a post tour to Scotland afterwards. So if you're traveling with me, well, that video ended abruptly. I was gonna say, if you're traveling with me, I've got your kits ready. All you need to bring is a thimble if you wear one. I do. A needle threader, a pair of thread snips that you'll carry in your checked luggage, just so that they don't get swiped. And what else could you need? Needle threader, a hoop if you want one. I don't need to sew or embroider with a hoop when I've got the Sulky Stick and Stitch on here. It adds enough weight and the linen is heavy enough that I can embroider this without having to have it in a hoop. I look forward to seeing everybody in Ireland. And yes, if you're not coming, you can still get this pattern. It's called Cairdeas. The spelling and the name is in my comments and description of this video. You'll be able to find it in the Quiltville store at quiltville.com/shop. Thanks, everybody.